YouTube loves a good old unboxing video, so here is one of these Noco Genius Boost packs. As you know, yep, this can apparently start anything up to a 6 litre petrol or a 3 litre diesel, so pretty much most cars in the UK pretty much. Yeah, it comes in this nifty little cardboard box, and yeah, it's packaged quite nicely. Excuse me. Just going to get out, and yeah, it's not too bad at all actually. Yeah, it's built quite nice. The box is, yeah, packaged very well. And now I'm going to split it open in a second, because yeah, as always, there's some cellophane to stop you, shall we say. Well, would you know it? I've managed to crack the cellophane wrapping open, and here we are. And it's as if by magic. Now, this is how you undo the box. You kind of grab it from the top, and you just let gravity do the work. And there you have it. Now I'm going to point out, I did previously grab a GB20, which is the 500 amp one of these. No, this is the 1000 amp. That allegedly will struggle to start a diesel engine, and it can start up to a 4 litre petrol, whereas this can do a bit more, and it's the same size, and as far as I can tell, the same weight. The literature claims this one is 100 grams lighter. I'm going to be honest, I can't tell the difference. What's 100 grams these days? But yeah, nicely made, and yeah, it's quite a cool old thing. Yeah, it's dead, so obviously I'll charge it up. First time I've opened it up. And let's take another look. Go inside here. Whoops, whoopsie daisies. Yeah, all the usual stuff. Nice thing with this over the GB40, which may justify the higher price tag, you do actually get a fast USB charger with this. So yeah, this is a 2.1 amp charger, so you can charge this in the car. Yeah, which is pretty decent. You get a nice set of jump leads, and you also get USB cable, as well as your microfiber bag in case you want to, polish it up nicely. But let's be honest, who's going to do that with one of these? Nice thing with this is it's actually a similar size to a large power bank, so it actually doubles up as a power bank, especially with the size that it is. Comes in an instruction manual, but who reads those these days? And yeah, we shall test it in due course. With it being winter, I'm sure that opportunity will arise soon, but so far, pretty good. I will point out, I do have the bigger brother of this, the GB70, which I have personally jump started 5 litre Mercs off, and even my a 3.2 litre BMW E46 M3, and it's done that really well. So yeah, if that doesn't, considering that that struggles with absolutely nothing whatsoever, my garage just jump started an HGV off a GB70, which is surprising. This should be more than good enough for most motorists, and the nice thing is it's compact. Right, we'll give it a go in due course.